In today's video, we're going to show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset to Bluetooth in 2025. If that's what you're trying to do, let's go step by step. First, know which version of the headset you have. There are several generations: Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 2 Max, and Gen 3. Here's the important part: only Gen 3 supports Bluetooth. If you have Gen 1 or Gen 2, those versions don't have Bluetooth and connect strictly through a USB dongle, so Bluetooth pairing simply won't work. If you have Gen 1 or Gen 2, grab the wireless dongle that came with the box. Check if there's a switch on the dongle and set it to USB mode. Then plug it into your PC, console, or any compatible device. The headset should automatically connect. Don't forget to go into your audio settings afterward and set the Stealth 600 as the default input and output so sound routes correctly. Now, for Generation 3, Bluetooth is available, and here's how to pair it. Locate the Bluetooth button on the headset, usually on one of the ear cups. Press and hold it until the LED starts blinking. That means it's in pairing mode. Then, on your device, phone, laptop, tablet, or even some consoles, open Bluetooth settings. Tap Add Device or a similar option. You should see Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 3 appear. Tap to pair, confirm any prompts if needed, and your headset is ready. Once connected, you can use the headset for calls, music, gaming, or any audio output your device supports. Remember, Bluetooth on Gen 3 also allows you to use chat audio from apps like Discord or Teams alongside your game audio, depending on your device's audio routing settings. If pairing fails, try turning Bluetooth off and on your device, or restart the headset by holding the power button for a few seconds. You can also forget the device in your Bluetooth settings and pair it again, which often resolves stubborn connection issues. Another tip: make sure your headset firmware is up to date via the Turtle Beach app. Firmware updates can improve Bluetooth stability, reduce lag, and add new features. For multi-device users, you can pair the headset with multiple devices, but only one can actively transmit audio at a time. Proper storage and charging also help. Keeping the headset charged above 50% ensures consistent connectivity and avoids sudden drops during gaming sessions. Following these steps ensures your Stealth 600 Gen 3 works flawlessly over Bluetooth every time.